Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be checking out the Podium Club down at the Atessa Motorsports Park in Casa Grande, Arizona. If this is your first time to this track, it can be a little daunting. So up next are some tips to help you find your way around the track in the clockwise configuration. When coming to the end of the straightaway, you'll notice that there's a slight hill. For a good lap, you'll actually want to brake on the back side of the hill, but not at the top. If you brake at the top, there's a good chance you'll lock up your brakes. On corner 1, I aim for a spot just before the rumble strips. This ensures that I have plenty of runoff on the right hand side. For turn 2, you want a late but tight entry and use the uphill to your advantage. Get on the accelerator early and get back to mid-track. That'll dump you into turn 3, where I stay to the right and get on the gas as early as possible using all the track to my left on exit. Just like turn 3, turn 4 is uphill, so an early entry will yield some benefit, allowing you to get on the gas earlier. Turn 6 is downhill, so if you enter too late, you will likely run out of room on the left. I recommend being on throttle going through the turn to ensure the back end stays planted. It's tempting to turn in too early for turn 7, but wait as long as you can and accelerate all the way up the hill, and try to stay track right when approaching turn 8 into the S's. Turn 9 and 10 are downhill, so an early entry allows you to straight line both of them and accelerate hard all the way till turn 11. The next braking zone is right at turn 12, so I ignore turn 11 completely. Stay tight on turn 13, allowing you to open up turn 14 as it leads onto a short straightaway. Turn 15 is a late apex. Be sure to make your way all the way around the corner before coming up to the curb. There we go, the Podium Club Clockwise track guide. Check out some of my other track guides, and we'll see you next time.